Good morning, YouTube. Well, this morning we're going to try to bleed the brakes. I've got a tube set up going into a bottle this time so we can actually see the air bubbles. I've topped off my reservoir and I've got extra brake fluid in case I need it. I've got my wife here ready to pump the brakes, so let's see if I can set it up somewhere where you can see what's going on, and we'll get this done in 2 minutes. Okay, Susan, why don't you pump the brakes? Okay. In and out. Okay, stop. Just check my reservoir. See, you don't want to run the reservoir down to too low. So I've checked the reservoir. Okay. And all right. One more time. Wait a minute. Okay, go ahead. Pump the brakes. Keep going, in and out. All right, hold on a second there. One more time, in, out. One more good one. Again. All right, that's it. Done? Yeah. And I don't know if the camera can see this, but I have no air bubbles at all in the line. The bottom has fluid in it. So as you can see, the system has been bled free of air. Well, Susan, the bad news is you have to drive yourself to work.
I can't help you.
No, I'll take you just in case this is still broken. But I believe this fixes the truck. I believe this fixes the truck completely. I'll still take you to work today. But, well, it's all bled. Now what you want to do, I'm going to pop the camera off the stand here. Once you've got it all bled out, make sure you top off your reservoir. Because at this point, all my pads are good, everything's bled out, so I want that full. Second thing you want to do is come down here and actually put an eyeball on this, make sure it's not leaking, and check your connection right here to make sure you are not leaking, because that's an important connection. And if you remember yesterday's video, we took our time putting that together. Hey, all I got to do now is jack this thing up and slap the wheel on it, take it for a test drive. And it's a done deal. I do see a little bit of juice there. And it could be because I spilled it. So what I'm going to do is go over here and grab my trusty brake cleaner. And I will give it all a good brake cleaner spray. That way I will know if anything is leaking at all. Done. Hopefully I didn't get any on the camera. Okay, that's the video.